Well, tracking strong to severe thunderstorms across our northern and inland zones. Thanks for tuning in to Wink News at 4 p.m. Meteorologist Greg Rule here. 1, 2, 3 current severe thunderstorm warnings, one of which will likely be allowed to expire literally right then and there. You see it expire, I'm magical. That's what I do here. I got you guys covered. However, that severe thunderstorm warning has now been expanded into extreme northeastern sections of DeSoto County. It is moving to the east-northeast, so this one will likely be out of our viewing area. And then this one right here as well, we'll get to that in a second. However, pretty impressive moderate to heavy rain, lots of cloud to ground lightning, and this will continue to impact sections of DeSoto, especially northeastern DeSoto, over the next 30 to 45 minutes. Good news, however, we did have some clouds topping at about 50,000. As of right now, we're only seeing about 40,000, but boy, did it drop some pretty impressive hailstones over the last 30 to 45 minutes. Radar estimates of 1 to 2 inches of hail just to the north of the town of Joshua, north of State Road 70. It is once again moving to the east at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. We've also had very heavy rainfall just within the last couple of hours, so certainly dealing with some localized flooding in low-lying areas just to the south of downtown Arcadia, where radar estimates of 1 to nearly 3 inches of very heavy but beneficial rainfall currently has taken place. Now, this severe warned storm, this is expected to stay in effect until 4:30, but now I'm kind of scratching my head why. It's basically over Lake O right now, so this one has fizzled itself out, but not before it dropped very heavy rain and some radar estimates of about a ½ inch diameter of some hailstones. So if you're kind of curious in the scale and the size of what we're referring to when we're talking to hailstones, golf ball size, about 1 3/4. So we're basically between a quarter and a golf ball size hailstones falling in our northern and inland communities. So if you're in and around these general areas, take a photo, send it to me or Matt. We would love to highlight that on the television. Our forecast models continue a really good opportunity for some of these strong to severe thunderstorms over the next couple of hours, but notice by around 10 and 11 p.m., things drastically improve, so that is some good news right there. Storm Prediction Center still expecting a level 1 out of 5 risk for some of those severe storms well east of 75, likely hugging closer to Lake Okeechobee. Everyone is hot right now, though, as temperatures are steady in the upper 80s and lower 90s, with the exception of our friends, I'm jealous, rain-cooled conditions right now in Arcadia, currently at 73 degrees. A different scenario coming out of the Bonita Springs camera. Lovely looking shot under mostly sunny skies. So closer to the coast, just a few clouds expected this evening. But if you're inland east of 75, I do expect a good opportunity for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Waking up tomorrow morning on your finally Friday forecast, lower to mid 70s area wide under a partly cloudy but a dry start. I expect dry conditions through around 1, 2, and 3, and then that magic hour between around 3, 4, and 5, yeah, you guessed it correctly, another round of some scattered inland rain and thunderstorms. Some of this, which possibly may try to produce another round of some severe weather tomorrow, which is why we're seeing yet again another possibility of some strong to severe weather in our inland zones. High temps tomorrow hit the lower to mid 90s. Then to the upcoming weekend, Saturday afternoon, a typical rainy type season weather pattern. Sunday afternoon, another round of scattered storms. Monday for Memorial Day, widespread moderate to heavy rain. That will continue into Tuesday, Wednesday, and beyond. So literally today and tomorrow is the beginning of rainy season for us here in Southwest Florida, as I'm expecting daily rounds of afternoon and evening storms, high temperatures topping in the lower to mid 90s, morning lows staying mild and muggy in the mid 70s.